What is up, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Wisconsin Outdoors. Well, it is October 21st. It is my birthday, 36th birthday, and just sitting here. We're out in the duck marsh, just sitting here thinking, I shot my first duck in this marsh when I was 12 years old. That was 24 years ago. So I've been hunting this marsh for 24 years. We hunted yesterday, got a single man limit, came out here solo. I'm solo again. And hopefully we can duplicate yesterday. Got a good spot, nobody around, nice decoy setup, and nice hide. So it should be a great day. Sun's just coming up, shooting light will be here in just a few minutes. Let's shoot some ducks. Starting out slow again. Difference is today I'm not as discouraged because yesterday it was extremely slow in the beginning. I've heard very few shots and seen very few ducks. So this is about the time when it started getting good yesterday. So hopefully it is like yesterday. What the heck? I don't like this. There's something about it. Duck just landed short of me, but it's coming straight to me. Got me one. Dang thing short-stopped me. I don't know why they keep doing that. Pressure's getting to them. Seeing a lot less ducks today than yesterday, but we'll see what happens. It's about that time for 9 o'clock mallards. My favorite time to duck hunt is that 8 to maybe 10 is usually my best time for big ducks. Well, that sucker came out of nowhere. Holy moly, he was so close. Pintail. I missed him the first two. The third one, he was behind me over my head. That was crazy. We got him. Took me all three, but it's a nice pintail. Nice drake. It's a pretty nice one for Wisconsin. It's a pretty big bird. Not as nice as the one I saw yesterday, but cool. Well, we got two. It's about 8:30. This is when things really took off yesterday. Freaking ice again. Man, I thought that pintail was gonna get away. I didn't call or anything. I never saw him coming. He was just cupped and just in my face. And my first shot, I probably missed him by about 2 feet because he kind of swung right in front of me. Second shot, I was just frazzled. And third shot, got him. Good, because I didn't have any more shots left. My first gadwall of the year. Cool. It didn't quack like a gadwall, it sounded like a hen mallard. been pretty slow. Had the gadwall that came in, short stopped me, and then swam into the decoys, got that one. And then that nice drake pintail. Hopefully I got that on camera. That was interesting. That thing was really, really close. The first 2 shots, well, all 3 shots really. But the last shot when I actually hit it, the thing was above my head directly and behind me. And if you guys know how hard of a shot that is when you're sitting down in a kayak, ooh, thank God I got it, because that was my last chance. I'm hoping some mallards come back from the fields here and we can get a nice little flock in here. That'd be sweet. Oh, come on now. I'm all flustered. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. They did it perfect. Almost tripled. Almost tripled. We got a drake and a hen. Drake and a hen mallard. Sweet. Almost tripled. That would have been freaking epic if I did. Hopefully I got all that on camera, did I? Yeah, I'm recording. Definitely a Susie. I tried swatting this one like 5 times and he's just a little too far. Are you gonna dive on me? I don't really want to waste any more shells. Drake mallard. That's a big bird there. Big fat mallard. 2 mallards. So we got a gadwall, pintail, hen mallard, drake mallard. I'm happy. I'm happy. I don't think I shot a duck till 8:30. It's 9:45, and I got, the camera says about 44% of battery on this battery, 44% left. So I'll probably sit her out for another half an hour or something like that. And you know, once I run out of camera battery, I'll get back with you guys if hopefully we can get another flock like that. I should have tripled on that. I was on that 3rd bird. I had to have hit it, just didn't knock it down, but pretty cool. Get them right in your face. I mean, they were right at the edge of the decoys there. I don't know, 15 yards. My first shot, second shot, maybe 20. And then 3rd shot, maybe 25, 30. But should have had a triple. That would have been awesome. But hopefully we can get 2 more quick. 1 more flock like that. And I think we can do it. All right, well, we're back at home here. And there's what I got. A little bit slower than yesterday, but you know, opportunities were just a little bit more plentiful yesterday. Today was still an awesome day. It's tradition, I always go duck hunting on my birthday, and I usually do pretty good. I might have used up some of that luck yesterday, and but I'm super happy with 4. It was all worth it when that flock of mallards just put their feet down right in the decoys. That is exactly why I love duck hunting. And that is my goal every single time I go duck hunting, is to get birds in the decoys. And still shot pretty good today. That pintail is pretty nice. My first gadwall of the season. Drake mallard and a hen mallard. So that's it for this one. If you guys didn't watch the video from yesterday, I'll leave a link somewhere right here. You guys go check that out, or some of my other duck hunting videos and adventures from this year. I appreciate you for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you could for me. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you on the next one.